You can use a natural ant killer near bathrooms and plumbing fixtures if you place it carefully to avoid water contact and protect plumbing. When using a homemade bait in a bathroom, choose a sugar or protein-based bait depending on the ant species, because sweet baits attract sugar feeders, while protein baits attract protein feeders during colony growth phases. Observe trails for a day to identify preference. Mix the bait so it is moist but not runny. A paste that will not flow into grout lines or drains is best because liquids can travel into pipes and be diluted or lost. Apply the bait in small pea-sized amounts along walls, near baseboards, behind toilets, and under sinks where ants travel, and press gently so it makes contact with the surface without squeezing into gaps. Keep bait at least 1 inch away from water sources such as faucet bases and shower edges to avoid splashing and evaporation that reduces attractiveness. Replace bait every 2 to 3 days or sooner if it becomes dry or contaminated, and clean up old bait by scooping with a disposable tool and wiping the area with a neutral cleaner once the infestation is controlled. Store any unused mixture in a sealed container out of reach of children and pets, and label it with the preparation date so you can discard after 1 week for freshness. A common mistake is placing bait directly in drains or on wet surfaces where it dissolves and becomes ineffective. Instead, place dry paste on a stable surface just outside the wet area. Another issue is using large globs that ants cannot carry, which leads to local feeding rather than colony elimination. Use small pea-sized portions so workers can transport bait back to the nest. Some people expect immediate results and remove trails or clean too soon, which breaks the food signal and stops recruitment. Leave bait undisturbed for at least 5 days and only clean after activity has ceased. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover placement strategies and practical tips for tasks like baiting bathrooms safely. We also connect contractors with local work opportunities and host a discussion community where we and other users share experiences and advice.